What is the deal, y'all? It's your boy j.koolii. I'm back in the flesh. And today is the big day, y'all. We about to go pick up the Redeye. I know some of y'all haters, feel me? He ain't gonna get it. Nah, he ain't gonna do it. Bro, whatever I put my mind to is done. Now let's go get it. So we had to stop and get gas on the way to the dealership. I just want to talk to y'all, get personal right fast. So if this is your first video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe for me. Comment what you think of the color when you see it. Comment, you know, what you want to see with the Redeye. I know everybody, not everybody, but it's a lot of people out there on YouTube with Redeyes right now. So it ain't really exclusive anymore. But I feel like the content I'm gonna be producing is gonna be a lot different than what you're seeing. So just stay tuned. If you want to see something different, if you want to see like performance and stuff like that, because nobody's really, you know, giving the stock performance stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to get that content to y'all before I start going crazy. So rock with me and I'm gonna rock with y'all. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you won't miss any videos. And let's go pick up the car.
Plates, just like an initial signature. This is the credit union that you're getting the loan through.
Okay, this signature. Thank you.
Congratulations, man. Hey, thank you for serving our country.
I appreciate it, man. 2021 Charger Hellcat Redeye. Got it from Galliana's, Van Dyke. Come get y'all cars from here. He putting on my license plate. I'm about to go test drive a Redeye for the first time. Alright, y'all. So about the car, you feel me? All the money down, all that good stuff. Got that out the way. I'm up at Galliana's, Van Dyke Dodge dealership. Come work with these guys. They'll get you right, you feel me? I'm gonna just support them because they hit it out the ballpark with this one. So this is gonna be my first time driving this bad boy. So I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna take it easy. You know, you got the the period. 500 miles. You gotta be cool. I'm gonna hit it a little bit. I'm gonna take the long way home, like Drake be saying. But put the safety first. I should have got the red seat belts, but they don't come with the red seats. I got the red guts though. You hear me? I'm excited, y'all. I'm kind of scared because I ain't even drove my Scat Pack in like 2 months, bro. So it'd be mad embarrassing if I just skirt up out this bitch and crash. So I'm gonna just be cool, you feel me? Kosher. Let this bitch drive for the first time. I mean, let me scoot up a little bit. I'm a little short, 5'9", you feel me? I gotta scoot up a little bit, you feel me? Alright. Damn. I feel like I just fucking learned how to drive yesterday or something. Oh, I can't even see nothing out this out the window. Cause they still got the MSRP sticker on it. So I'm gonna have to just take all left turns to the grid. Sick, man. This junk is way different than when I first bought my Scat Pack. Like when I bought the Scat Pack wide body, I was like, whatever. It didn't feel like nothing. But man, this right here, I don't even want to pull out cause I don't even know how it's gonna be. How it's gonna be for real. I might fuck around and skirt. Crash this bitch for real. But alright, y'all, it's clear. It's clear after this car. Alright, y'all, pray for me. I'm gonna be cool. I don't even know what mode it's in right now. It's probably on some shit. Oh, I lost traction, bro. I lost
At the next traffic lights, turn right.
I lost traction at 20 miles an hour, bro. I wasn't even hitting it. That was like a little baby. Y'all, this is a dream come true, bro. Like, this is a real life dream come true. Like, I know people be all cliche with it.
At the traffic lights, turn right onto East 12 Mile Road.
Bro, this is real life. Like, this is my dream car. I could die happy now. You feel me? Because I can say I got my dream car. A lot of people will never be able to
In
get
1.1 miles,
like,
turn right onto Hoover Road.
Y'all dream cars. Like, on some chill shit. Like, let me see what mode I'm in. Hold on. Double tap SRT mode. We in auto right now, so alright, we got a red light, so we could I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna flip the camera around for y'all. Hold up. Still got the plastics and everything on here. Hey Josh, bro, what am I doing right now? Drive mode. Boom. Oh yeah, we in 797 right now. So what we gonna do is put this bitch in 500 mode. But I only got two hands, you feel me? And I'm holding one of them on the steering wheel and one of them on the, you feel me? Mirror down. I can't see shit. I'm gonna have to pull over, bro. I can't do this. This is too much. This is too much. Hold up, bro. Let me pull up at somebody carrying my fast. I don't know what the fuck going on. 1 second. Alright, so I'm gonna put this boy auto setup. Put this boy in 500 mode just to be cool for the first 500 miles, because I ain't trying to be going crazy. Let me see how this bitch feels, if it feel like my scatter knot. And it's a dead end. Oh yeah, that's
turn right onto Harder Drive.
Y'all. That's way smoother, bro. I promise y'all, that's way smooth. Like, that was to the ground and it was on some chill shit. Hey, this bitch cool.
In 900 feet, turn right onto Longview Avenue.
What's it called? I don't know if this is a one-way or not. Dead end street. Oh shit! I need to get up out of here, bro. No cap. I know this sign. Hold on, I got y'all. Yo, I'm about to just be out here driving for no reason, bro. Like, after a long day of work, I'm gonna just go driving now. I couldn't do that in the scatter, but
at the stop sign, turn right onto East 12 Mile Road.
Y'all know, you feel me? But this boy is different, bro. I gotta hit the freeway. I don't even need to hit the freeway. I'm hitting the freeway. Just give me a second. I can't pull out this bitch though. Y'all, when I tell you this junk is totally different. And the supercharger one, you can smell the engine. You can smell the engine ain't been pushed at all. Cause I've really been flooring it, but it's in 500 mode. But you can smell that new.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto Hoover Road.
That's what my scat did the last time. But you feel me? After these 500 miles, we're gonna get an oil change and all that, and then we'll be on. I should turn off Sirius, cause she probably annoying the fuck out of y'all right now. I'm sorry, y'all. This is my first video back in 2 months, so y'all gotta give me some leeway, you feel me? I'm gonna get right back to it. I'm not chewing the gum, you feel me? I'm trying to do it the right way, y'all, but I don't know how to get
At the next traffic lights, turn right.
Yo, this shit feels so crazy, bro. I ain't gonna cap. I'm just cruising, and it feels so good just to be cruising, chilling, like. I will dog walk. You know, I ain't even about to do all that right now, bro. I'm gonna be humble, just be chilling. Damn, this shit is a dream come true. I'm hitting the freeway, bro. How I get on this bitch? Damn, I gotta get to the right. Fuck. I ain't gonna make it. I might do some illegal shit just to get on the freeway. But nah, that wine's something serious, bro. Y'all, this junk is for real. I'm in the red eye. Man, hey y'all, let me talk to y'all. Let me get personal right fast. Alright y'all, so basically, I'm gonna just give y'all the rundown right now. If you new, you like the video, you like what you're seeing so far, just go ahead and subscribe for me, bro. Support me. You know, I'm taking a leap of faith. What tall guy say? Take a leap of faith. I'm taking a leap of faith. I need y'all to support me, man. But yeah, I got a lot of good content coming soon with this car. Something different. I'm gonna try to switch it up for y'all. You know, stand out from the crowd. Cause everybody doing the same thing. They rapping it. They customizing. I get that. That's gonna come. That's gonna come within the, you know, coming years. But I'm gonna try to get the best that I can, you know, out of this before trying to do anything. I'm getting tense though. That's a necessity, bro. I can't do this fishbowl stuff. That is dead. I think that's a red eye right there, or it's a Hellcat or something. I don't know. Hey man, follow y'all dreams, bro. That junk is possible, bro. I'm telling y'all, if y'all follow y'all dreams, work. It's gonna be tough days. It's gonna be some tough days. Just keep going, bro. I promise you, bro. That junk gonna pay off. Do not stop. Don't stop, bro. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I know I said that 4 times, but let's get straight to it, y'all. Let's hit the ground running and get this content going. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.